Got you. This is crazy. I know it's on right now.
Is it? Oh. Go suck a clit or some.
It's bad. Just need somebody to make sure I don't get hit. Okay.
Okay, sorry. Where are we going?
Here. I'm trying to get fucked up.
Wait, oh my god, this is on. Where the bitch is at? Where the bitch is at? Hey, we came to save Gypsy.